Hi everyone, I am very excited for today's lesson. Do you want to guess why? Today is the day we are going to learn how to play our very first hymn. Well, children, before we start playing, I think that we should recap all the things we have learned in the previous lessons. Remember, when we play a hymn, we have to apply all our knowledge. But what does that mean? It simply means that we should be able to do all the things we've learned before when we play a hymn. Let me refresh your memory. Bobby, are you listening carefully as well? First, we learned about the stave, which had 5 lines. Bobby, what was the second one? Yes, it was the treble clef. The treble clef is the funny squiggle that shows us whether we play a high note or a very low note. And then, Bobby, what was the next thing? Yes, we learned to play notes A and B. Remember the fingering for the A with the 2 fingers and the B with the 1 finger. And Bobby, the next thing was note values. Can you remember note values, boys and girls? Yes, it's the ta, the tate, and the ta-ah. And the last but not the least was to take a nice rest, and we say sa. So boys and girls, just when you think that you've got nothing new to learn, this pops up. What do you think this means? Really? Oh, you've got some really creative answers. When you see these marks, all you have to do is to breathe before you play the next group of notes. See? How easy is that? It's almost like speaking. After a sentence, we get a full stop. We breathe at the full stop, and then we continue with the next sentence. So in music, we play a musical sentence, and this is also called a phrase. When we then see these 2 little lines, we breathe because it is the end of a phrase. Now, boys and girls, please open your books on page 15. It says lesson 9 at the top of the page. Can you see the hymn's name? Yes, it is God the All-Powerful. It is such a beautiful hymn. Now, remember, when we play each row, we will have to follow the steps. First, we will look at the line. Then we will clap and say the rhythm. Then we will clap and say the note names. Then we will put the recorders on our chins and to the phrase with the correct fingering. And then we will play the line. Absolutely perfect. I'm so excited. Right, let's do this. I'm going to move my stand a little bit so that I can see the music and you can see me carefully. So, what's the first thing? We're going to look at row 1. So we are looking, I'm looking, I'm looking. What's the next thing we should do? We're going to look, say, and clap the rhythm. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and ta-ah, ta, ta, ta-ah, 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 ta, ta, ta-ah, ta-ah. Good. It's slightly more complicated with that you have to breathe now. Let's do it again, and this time we will clap and say the note names. You ready? So we're starting on note A, absolutely. Oh, let's do this and don't forget to breathe. 1, 2, 3, and A, B, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Don't forget the breath. Right, so we've done that. What's the next step? We have to put it on our chins, and then we will say it on a 2 sound with the correct fingering. So carefully pick up your recorders, place it on your chin. Have you got the first note ready? It's an A. Are we ready? So here we go. And was that easy? Do you want to do it again? No? Okay. Challenge accepted. Let's then play this, but I think we should play it slightly slower. 1, 2, 3, and oh, Naki, what do you think? Do you think we deserve a star? I think so too, boys and girls. And Bobby's been so sweet, keeping all our stars. So, star number 1 for row number 1. Oh, I'm enjoying this. Let's go to line number 2 or row number 2, if you like. Now, let's clap the rhythm. Nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, and ta, ah, ta, 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 ah, ta, 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 ah, ta, 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 ah, sa, sa. Now we're going to say the note names. Are you ready? And we can clap. Right. 1, 2, 3, and B, A, B, B, A, B, B, A, sa, sa. Now, next thing is our chinny chin chin and 2, 2, 2. So, we're starting on a note B. If I can find the fingering. There we go. All the holes closed, and on my chin. Here we go. You ready? 1, 2, 3, and that was very good. I'm so proud of you. Do you think we could play this line? Okay, let's play this line. Let's see. Sit up straight. Nice deep breath. In you go. And 1, 2, 3, and that was very, very good. Bobby, what do you think? Do you think it was good? Because I'm so impressed with these children. Definitely another gold star. Well, I think that I should get the star and put it on our chair. This is so exciting. Right, we're going to do row 3 now. Okay, so we start on a ta, ah. Let's do this nice and slow. I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3, and ta, ah, ta, 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 ah, ta, sa, ta, ah, ta, sa, ta, ah, ta, ah. So now we have clapped the rhythms. Now we have to do the note names. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's do this. I'm counting you in and we're going to say what note first? A. 1, 2, 3, and A, A, sa. B, sa, B, A. Was that a bit better? It was, but it was tricky. You have to admit that. Now for the 2 and chin. Right. 1, 2, 3, and. How was that? Let's get our fingering ready. I'm starting on an A fingering. And I'm going to do it nice and slow, and I will breathe properly. Okay, sit up straight. 1, 2, 3, and. What did you think? Do you think we should get a star? I think we should. Another yellow star or gold star coming our way. Let's do this. Oh, Bobby, thank you for holding the stars. The ever gentleman you are. So we have 3 stars. 1, 2, 3. And that means that we've almost done all 4 lines. The last line, I think, it's going to be easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, and. Ta, 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 sa, sa. I think we should go and say the note names now. So we're starting on A. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and. A, B, A, B, A, sa, sa. Sa, 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 sa. Oh, this is so amazing. Let's play it. A fingering, recorders in your mouth. 1, 2, 3, and. I'm so tired from thinking all these notes and playing all these notes and all the breathing. Oh my gosh. Bobby, do we get a star? Boys and girls, do you think we should get a star? I think so too. Right. And we're getting our 4th star because we are amazing. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have 4 stars, and I think that we should maybe try to play this as a hymn. All the lines, should we put them all together now? All 4 lines together. Oh, it's going to be tricky. put your recorders down and give yourselves a round of applause. Well done, you've done this. Now, remember, this is your homework for next week. And I'm so excited to hear what it sounds like. And I'm sure that Naki enjoyed it, and I'm sure Bobby enjoyed this. You may also ask your teachers to help you, because they are amazing, and you've got fantastic organists in the congregation who would also love to play the hymn with you. I'm going to organize with my organist so that I can practice at least twice this week. I think that we should go home now and practice. So you must have a super duper week and continue to practice. So from Naki, Bobby and myself, it's over and out.